I have here an iPhone 4. And here is the first layer, which is made out of really soft rubber. You can see that I'm just barely swinging my arm. This whole thing's just flexing away. And you can almost just scrunch it up together, let it go. It's a very, very soft material. This layer is the protective shock in case you drop the phone. And here is the second layer, which is made out of hard plastic. And this is the part that's not so flexible. And this actually maintains the shape of the case. So I'm going to first put the first layer on and let you see what it looks like. I'm going to have to put this phone down to do it. Okay, and here we go, the first layer. Now, this is the layer that some people will look at and say, oh, it's not a snug fit. Because you look very carefully, this layer, I'm pushing it down, you can see it kind of gives a little bit. That's because the material is very, very soft. Yeah, some people feel like this is a deal breaker for them. You can kind of see here it gives a little bit. But it's actually a very snug fit, and the give is because this rubber is actually very, very soft. If you can look up closely, it's very flush against the surface. And the button's very flush. You push the button, immediate give to the button underneath it. So it's a very, very snug fit, but because the rubber is really soft, you get kind of like this flexible feeling from the sides. Okay, and now the last hard layer that you put on. And usually you would slide in like this, and then you kind of have to squeeze the hard rubber, you squeeze the hard case over the soft rubber. So I'll try to do this while keeping the phone still, but yeah, it's a very tight fit, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down. That was just a quick push. I'm going to have to push this side in a little bit more. Yeah, the hard plastic part is a very tight fit. You have to squeeze a little bit. Okay, I give up doing this one-handed. Okay, here we go. This is with both pieces on. Okay, and again, the soft rubber is still very, very soft. If you can kind of see, I can kind of squeeze the edges and kind of push the rubber out. It's very soft, but the shape of the phone is maintained. You can kind of see here, kind of push it in a bit. Yeah, the bottom side is not so much. The bottom side is closer to these two pieces of plastic, so that's one piece. This is another. So this bottom corner is not as flexible, but this top corner here does give a little bit more. Okay, well, I hope that helps. And you let me know which case you want, whether the Commuter or the Defender.